Most people start their day by taking a supplement without a second thought. But understanding the process of manufacturing supplements is easier than many realize.
Typically, it all starts with someone's idea. Whether they're making a product that's already existing and enhancing it in some way, or finding something that hasn't been created before and kind of carving their own niche into the industry.
Making a supplement from the beginning would be sourcing the different materials that would go into it, whether it be, a capsule, tablet, powder, soft gel, liquid, or gummy. You need those raw materials to be sourced. Once those come in, they need to be tested for identity, potency, heavy metals, microbials, make sure that all the specs pan out to what you want it to be. Once that's done, you can go into the actual production of the bulk material.
Testing's exponentially important because 20 years ago, if a material was yellow and a raw material supplier had something similar in stock, but they didn't have what you asked for, but it was the same color, they might just give it to you. With the advancements in testing and the new scrutiny from governing bodies, everyone's doing more testing than ever. So when it comes to the ingredients, everything's tested upon entry and upon it going out.
Then you go into the packaging of the actual product, which the packaging is done simultaneously with the labeling of the application as well.
The technology for producing supplements is constantly improving. It is completely possible to create a brand and be welcomed into the industry as long as you have a trusted manufacturer on your side.
There's extremely low barrier to entry now, especially since Amazon.com has become one of the biggest sellers of supplements.
Products are typically not FDA approved, but we're an FDA registered facility. So as long as you're making your products in the right facilities, then your products don't have to actually be approved. It's not like you send a product to the FDA and then they study those products and then make that approved. What they do is, they oversee the facilities and make sure that we're following the GMP compliance.
Nowadays, there's so many different marketing methods, so much you can learn on YouTube, so much you can do on Amazon. Even eBay is still taking over 4% of global sales, and they do sell a decent amount of vitamins. And Shopify.com makes it very easy to build your own website. So there's manufacturers you could find now. You could probably get a couple dozen bottles. The price is going to be higher, but you can get your feet wet and you can get started in the business. The low barrier to entry is done with the private label companies. So by finding someone who already has mass produced a certain formula, you take their formula and you put your marketing twist on it. Maybe you're a doctor and people want to listen to doctors. My mom is going to buy whatever her doctor tells her to buy. So if his face is on a vitamin D, she's going to buy that vitamin D.
Typical supplement manufacturers can be a nightmare with hidden fees, lack of communication, and no creativity. Supplement manufacturing partners take pride in their transparency and dedication to help create brands with ease.
SMP stands for Supplement Manufacturing Partners, and we have that name because we do truly look to partner with our clients. We're a true turnkey solution. We do everything from formulation assistance, making sure the label is compliant. We do label printing. We do graphic design. We have videography in-house to help customers with their marketing. We do web design. We have a separate branch called Supplement Media Studio, which allows our clients, instead of hiring 5 people or 10 people to build a team, it's almost like you're our partner and we're your team. We also offer fulfillment services. So if you don't have a robust infrastructure, you don't have a warehouse, you don't want to rent space, we could store it here for you and we could ship it directly to your customers. We work with people from 1,000 bottles all the way up to 1 million bottles per run.
Supplement manufacturing partners expertly do the heavy lifting so that the focus can remain on quality supplements. With innovative machinery and dependable testing, supplement manufacturing partners make breaking into the industry a breeze.
We're working on new programs where a lot of consumers don't know the testing that goes into products, so why not make them aware of it? Why not create a QR code that when you scan it on your phone, you can see the test results of what you've purchased, make sure the heavy metals are in check. But for the consumer to be able to verify that on their phone just creates a whole new level of trust in the industry. So transparency is a must. One of the things that we're most excited about is creating industry-first gummy formulations. So you might find hundreds of different thyroid support capsules, you might find hundreds of different green superfood powders. We want to be the first people to take those types of formulas and put them into gummy format, allowing our brands to be as competitive as possible, be first to industry with certain formulas, as well as give the consumers a new, easy happy, healthy way to take their supplements. We do offer a different value than other manufacturers, so that's what keeps me passionate about it. That's really what gets me out of bed in the morning, is that we can make the next home run product, and we can make it for someone that could change their life.
To learn more, contact us today.